Misconception Monday. This week's submission is when a skydiver pulls their parachute, they travel upwards. Now this video is really the root of the misconception for students. This skydiver is about to pull their parachute. He's doing so now, and from the frame of reference of the camera person, it looks as if that skydiver is travelling in the upwards direction. Let's have a look at the physics of what's happening. So I've got two force diagrams here, before and after the parachute has been pulled. Now, before, the weight is equal and opposite to the air resistance, and so there is therefore no resultant force. And if there's no resultant force, according to Newton's second law, there must be no acceleration. So we are travelling at a constant, a maximum terminal velocity. Now, after the parachute has been pulled, the parachute has a really large surface area, which dramatically increases the air resistance. And so, using Newton's second law again, we now have a resultant force going upwards. Because that's in the opposite direction to the direction of motion, that leads to a deceleration. The skydiver is going slower. Now, the real root of the misconception comes from the fact that the camera person has not yet pulled their parachute. And so therefore they have not yet decelerated, and so from the camera person's frame of reference it looks like the other skydiver has gone upwards, but in fact they are just travelling at a smaller velocity.